Hi viewers, what I am going to do today is Spanish eggs with gravy. Now we are going to do the Spanish eggs, hard boiled egg. So when you take the hard boiled egg, cut into two lengthwise. We have to remove the yolks. I have taken the yolks separately. Along with that, I need boiled mince meat. The quantity, of course, 250 grams you can take for 5 eggs. Along with that, we are going to temper these ingredients. Onions, green chili, 1 green chili, garlic and curry leaves. All that we will temper first. If you don't stir fry, it won't be tasty. So we will stir fry this and take it. When the oil is heated, add the onions, green chilies, garlic and curry leaves, all finely chopped. Slightly stir fry this. Till it gets brown, we don't have to stir fry, slightly to soften and just to get it a little color, add a little salt. Now this is ready. I am going to put into the meat mixture. Mix it nicely. Now I am going to add mustard cream, salt, pepper, turmeric. If you like a little chili powder, we said Spanish eggs. But if you just use a little chili powder and chili pieces, it will be really tasty. So we will add that also. Along with that, I am going to use a little bit of raw egg yolk also, not the white. Mix it nicely. Once you mix all these ingredients, if you like, you can use Worcester sauce also. Worcestershire sauce is used generally for the Spanish eggs because it gives a taste. Worcester sauce. Now what I am going to do, using the beaten egg, nicely beat it and keep. Add a little salt and pepper. Mix it nicely and keep it. Now what I am going to do is, I need a lot of things here. No yolk here, yolk has gone into it. So now you dip this in the egg. Take it out. Like this, all the eggs we will dip in the egg and keep it first. Now take this mixture that I have already done, keep into this and press it. To get the original shape of the egg, we have to mix it. That is, this is called what? Spanish eggs. Fill where the yolk was and you mix it nicely and have it. So we have done these eggs. And the balance, you know what I am going to do. We didn't put potatoes into it. For this type of preparation, you don't put potatoes. So this is the way to do it. One by one, I am putting it into the beaten egg, which I have put pepper and salt. Don't forget that. Pepper and salt, if you put only, it's tasty. So you put the pepper and salt and mix it nicely now. Double coat you have to put, because if you put double coat only, it will get covered nicely. Egg has to get covered. So we have to nicely mix it. Now I have kept the oil for heating. Keep it ready. Now we put the eggs one by one and we could fry this. I think I'll do one at a time so that it will get fried. Only one thing you should always remember, as soon as you put, don't put the spoon and stir, because leave it for about 10 seconds and then only put the spoon, otherwise it will start breaking. Now the Spanish eggs are ready. We are going to make a sauce for it. To make the sauce, we need tomatoes. At least 3 to 4 tomatoes you take, or 250 grams tomatoes we take, and first boil and remove the skin and the seeds, and we are going to blend it. So we will see how we are going to do that. Water is boiling. I put the tomato in. It has to be boiled. If it is boiled only, we can remove the skin easily. You have to remove the skin. Now I have got this. Now I am going to blend these tomatoes. At least 250 grams of tomatoes you take, and 1 cup water we add and blend it. There should not be any pieces. It should come out easily. What I am going to do is, I will pour it into this. Along with that, tomato paste. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. What are the other things we need? We need salt, a little pepper, more chili powder, about half a teaspoon or a little more, turmeric, all that we have put. I need a little more water. We need 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour. Mix along with the water. Keep it aside. Now I am going to use a little vinegar. A teaspoon of vinegar. A teaspoon of sugar. Now lastly, now it's boiling well. It has to boil, and then we add the corn flour which was dissolved in water. Quickly it's getting thickened. It's nice and thick now. We take it off. This sauce or the gravy, you can keep it for some time. That's the reason I have put vinegar. Now we will see how we are going to have the Spanish eggs with the gravy. Now this is the Spanish eggs with tomato sauce or gravy, and you could serve this, as I told you, anytime. So today I have given you the Spanish eggs with gravy or tomato sauce. So 2 things we have learnt here, and I hope you will enjoy this, because this is something really nice, and I would say I like it. So definitely you will also like it. Thank you so much.